Hi guys, Lester here of WRC. First of all, I want to thank our Lord God for this day. And we're here again to review another item po. But this time, it's not an action figure. It's a book of Dragon Ball Super History book. The last book of Akira Toriyama, the 30th anniversary of the Dragon Ball series. We're going to open the book and we're going to look at the pictures inside, so we'll know what's inside. But unfortunately, this one is in Japanese version. I don't know if there's an English version of this book, but as far as I know, only Japanese version has been released of this book. So let's look at the book. So guys, here is the book. As you can see, still sealed. I haven't opened this book since I got it. So this is the 30th anniversary of Dragon Ball. And this is I think, the last book of Akira Toriyama, the creator of Dragon Ball. So there, it's the 30th anniversary Dragon Ball Super History book. There's the back. So we're going to open it. There's the book inside. So we're going to open it. And now guys, we're going to open the book. As you can see, still sealed. Going to open it. There. There. Here, this one is the outer box of the book. So the book itself is inside this one. This one is the book. So there's the front. For the Japanese people, they read the book from the other side. Unlike we Filipinos and the Americans, we read the book from the right side towards the left, like this. So this is the back and this is the front. So we're going to open it. There, you can see the book. There, it has a poster. There's the poster, a Dragon Ball poster. So if you want to cut it and you can put it on the wall, you can put that poster. And there, 30th. There's the story. Says Akira Toriyama, the original creator of Dragon Ball. So there, you can see. Everything is in Japanese, so I don't know what it says. I don't know if there's just like I said a while ago, I don't know if there's an English version of this. So there's the book. There, see the origin. You can see. We're going to scan the pages only because we don't know what it's saying. But there. If you're a collector and you want to have this book, this one is available here at WRC Toys, Shopsville, Green Hills. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me at Facebook page WRC Toys, and also at TikTok WRC, and at Instagram WRC_toys. Thank you for watching and God bless.